thunderstorm warning for Barron County in northwestern Wisconsin, east central Polk County in northwestern Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Turtle Lake, 25 miles west of Rice Lake, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Turtle Lake around 4:35 p.m. Alma and Clayton around 4:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Barron, Prairie Farm, and Dallas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter in